Hi children, how are you? Hope you're all doing good, right? Nice to see you again. So, shall we start the session with prayer? Right. Join your hands, close your eyes, and listen to me. Asato ma satgamaya Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya Mrityoma mridam gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Fine children, take a deep breath. Breathe out. Once again, deep breath. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now, open your eyes slowly, children. Right. Very good. Are you feeling fresh? Fine. So, in last sessions, we were discussed about trials of fiber. Chapter 2, right? So, what did we saw? We saw about fabric fiber. Okay. Fabric is the cloth which is manufactured by weaving process of cotton, nylon, wool, etc. Right? Fiber is a thin hand-like strands from which a thread can be made. Right? The sources of fiber may be natural fiber or synthetic fiber. Natural fiber we can obtain from nature, whereas synthetic fiber we can obtain in chemical laboratory through chemical process, right? And these are examples about natural fiber and synthetic fiber. And we saw about cotton, right? How the cotton fabric is manufactured from a plant, that is cotton plant. What are the process involved in that process, right? Involved in the manufacturing of fabric, right? What are the process involved? Ginning, spinning, weaving or knitting, right? Initially we can get the cotton from a cotton ball. Okay, from the cotton balls the cotton can be extracted through ginning process. Okay, the cotton balls can then be transformed to cotton yarn through spinning process. Okay, and with the help of weaving or knitting, with the help of cotton yarns, we can manufacture a cotton fabric. In this way, a cotton can be transformed into cotton fabric through this process. These were discussed by us in last sessions, right? Okay, now we are going to discuss about the next natural fiber. Okay, that is jute. The fabric name is jute and the fabric type is natural type, and the sources from jute plant. And the conditions for growing jute plant is it requires warm temperature, that is approximately 34 degrees Celsius, and humid climate. Humid climate in the sense the air should have humidity in it, right? The air must be very moist. Okay, that type of climate is called humid climate. Okay, so the jute plants require warm and humid climate. Okay, the temperature must be around 34 degrees Celsius. Okay, and this jute is used in making ropes, gunny bags, carpets. Okay, and the characteristics of jute are rough, shiny, sturdy and durable. Sturdy in sense they are so tough. Okay, they are so tough. These are the characteristics of jute. Could you clear? Okay then. So we can obtain the jute from jute plant as shown in the figure, right? These jute plants can be harvested at 3 to 4 months old. Okay, when they will be harvested, these jute plants will be harvested when they were 3 to 4 months old. Okay, after harvesting, they are made to dried under the sun. Okay, after drying, the leaves may be get separated and removes easily. Could you understand, children? We can obtain jute fiber from the jute plant, which will be harvested at the time period of 3 to 4 months old. After harvesting, the jute plants will be dried under the hot sun, which will make the leaves to dry easily and can remove easily, right? After this process, the jute, there is some other process which will be undergone by the jute plant in order to produce jute fabric. Those processes are retting, washing and drying, spinning and weaving. Could you clear? The jute plant must be undergone these process in order to make a jute fabric. Okay, the process will be retting, washing and drying, spinning and weaving. Okay, after getting dried under the sun, the jute plant will be soaked in a water for a week. This process is called retting. Okay, after removing leaves from the jute plant, the jute plants will be soaked in water for a week, and this process is termed as retting. Okay, this makes the fiber to loosen and can be separated manually and easily. Okay, for what they are soaking, children? Soaking helps the fiber to loosen from the plant. Okay, so it will be easy to get separated manually. Okay, once again repeating, retting is the process in which the jute plant will be soaked in water for a week, which makes the fiber to loose from the plant so that we can separate it easily. Okay, could you clear? Next, washing and drying. Okay, after fiber has been extracted from the jute plant, those fiber will be get washed in a clean running water. Okay, after getting fibers from the jute plant, those fibers will be washed in a clean running water and made to hung on a bamboo for 2-3 days. Okay, as shown in figure. Could you clear? After cleaning the fiber, they are made to hung on the bamboo for 2 to 3 days. Okay, after drying, those fibers are then made to thread using spinning machine. Okay, after the washing and drying process, the fibers can be made to yarn using a spinning machine. Okay, after the yarns had been spun, those yarns helps to make a jute fabric as that like of cotton. Okay, we can make the jute fabric using weaving process as like of cotton. Okay, we had seen in cotton how the cotton thread had been helped in by which process the cotton thread is made into cotton fabric. with the help of weaving or knitting process. In the same way, this jute yarn can be converted into jute fabric by weaving process. This is what happening in making a jute fabric from jute plant. Could you clear, children? Okay, once again I am repeating. The jute plant will be harvested at the time period of 2 to 3 months old. Okay, after harvesting, they are get dried under the hot sun so that the leaves can be removed easily. Right. After that, the jute plants will be soaked in water for a week. This process is termed as retting process, in which the fibers can be loosened easily. Could you clear? After that, the fibers are made to clean in a running water. The fibers will get clean in a running water and made them to hang on a bamboo for 2 to 3 days. This is called washing and drying process. Right. After that, the fibers, the dried fibers are spun using a spinning machine to make a yarn. Okay. After the fibers get dried, with the help of spinning machine, they can be spun to make a yarn. Okay, this is called spinning process. After the yarns will be manufactured, they are then weaved to get a jute fabric. These are the ways, that is, these are the process involved in transferring a jute fiber into a jute fabric. Could you clear, children? So, now we are going to discuss about the previous session homework. Right. So, take your workbook, page number 6, and the first question, state true or false. Right. In that, B question. Retting is one of the processes used in the extraction of jute fiber. Yes, the answer is true. Okay. And the 12th question, which I gave as homework in the previous session. Right. Explain the various processes used in making cotton fabric from its fibers. Okay. You have to write the answer like this. Right. Okay. You have to mention the process. Along with that, you have to explain about the process in a single line. Right. Very good. So, ginning, process of extracting cotton from cotton balls. Spinning, process of making yarn from cotton. Weaving, process of making a fabric with 2 sets of yarns with the help of power looms or hand looms. And knitting, process of making a fabric with single thread or yarn with the help of needles. Right. Then next question, differentiate between weaving and knitting. Okay. Weaving done using 2 sets of yarn. Knitting is done using single yarn. Okay. The second point is woven fabric is less stretchable, whereas knitted fabric is highly stretchable. Okay. And the third point is shirts, trousers and sarees are made by weaving process. T-shirts, socks and sweaters are made by knitting process. Could you clear about the answers, children? Right. Now it's a homework session. Okay. So note down your homework. Complete the question 11 of your workbook in page number 8. The question is, how are the seeds removed from the cotton fibers obtained from the cotton plants? You have to write how the seeds will get removed from the cotton fiber. Okay. Write your answer and upload it in Google Classroom app. Right? Till then, stay connected, stay safe. Bye.